No, I did it once this time. Is that right? Whoa!
Wow, that is cool, let me tell you.
Do it again.
Are you a surfer?
Yeah. Man, you know I'm gonna do that, don't you? I'm gonna hand raise the baby and train him to do that in the show.
Are you a surfer?
Yeah.
Are you a surfer? Whoa!
Yeah, we'll call that the Michael trick.
Yeah.
Call him dude.
Yeah, call him dude, yeah. He looks like a dude. Yeah.
Are you a surfer?
It's a perfect
I love it. Are you a surfer? Are you a surfer? Oh my goodness. Oh, he is amazing.
He's real live, yeah. He's got a personality.
Hey, sweetie.
Are you a surfer?
Thank you, Michael.
Michael, yeah. Okay, his name's
Surfer dude. Michael the surfer dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to call him Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
Okay, Mike.
Okay,
Are you a
Mike,
surfer? Oh, thank you, surfer dude. Thank you, surfer dude.
Mike, are you a surfer?
Okay, surfer, we got to go. Bye-bye.
Are you a surfer?
Oh. Okay. We'll see you later, surfer.
Did y'all see my
Bye-bye,
special
surfer. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, surfer dude.
See my special girl?
Oh, he's precious.
That's it. Very special girl.